Hello, this is Rocket Ed Tech, and I am coming to you with a very, very exciting video. I cannot tell you how long I have wanted to do this and have not been able to until now. I found a tool that allows you to make a copy of a folder within your Google Drive. And not only that, but let's say you have a personal Google account and then you also have a work Google account. You can actually copy a folder from either your work or your personal account and copy it to the other account. That is huge. So we're going to learn how to do that. First off, let me just say that this is not a tool that I have created, so I can't take credit for it, but I'll show you what it is. And the great thing about it is that you'll receive a copy of a Google Sheet that'll just sit within your Google Drive. So anytime that you need to use it, you'll just go to your Google Drive, open up that Google Sheet, and then you can use it to copy a folder whenever you need to. So here it is. Let me come over here. This is it right here. And it was created by this individual at techawakening.org. He's got the link right here that has the instructions, but you don't necessarily need that because I'm giving you them right now. But I'm going to show you how this works. So it'll copy the entire folder and everything inside of it. So right here, you'll see the enter folder ID. So we need to know how to find that. So if I go up to my Google Drive, I have a folder right here that I created called colors, and I just put a bunch of images in here. Okay. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure that you have shared this. Okay, and just make sure that it says anyone on the internet with this link can view. Okay, you don't have to copy the link because we don't want the full link, we just want the folder ID. So let's go ahead and show you how to do that. We're going to click on done. And up here in my browser address bar, I'm going to highlight this folder ID right here. Okay, I'm going to hit Control C, or if you're on a Mac, Command C. And I'm going to come back over here to this Google Sheet, and I'm going to double click inside here. I'm going to highlight this example folder ID that's in here, and I'm going to paste it by hitting Control V. Okay, I'm going to hit enter. Now, if you notice, once you have this installed, okay, it's going to have this little menu option up here. It says G Drive Copy Folder. The very first thing that you're going to have to do when you click on it is you're going to have to authorize this. Okay, it's going to say it's going to run a script, and it's going to say enter folder ID and select G Drive copy folder, make a copy. Well, we've already entered in our folder ID, so now all that we have to do is go back up here and click on this and then select make a copy. Okay, now it's going to say copy process has started, please wait. So, but if we go over here back to my Google Drive, and it's going to drop it in the root directory of your drive. So I have to click on my drive, and then I can see it right there. Colors, copy. Okay, I can even double click on it and go inside and just watch the copy of the files being made. Super cool, right? How long have you wanted to do this? I have been waiting for this, for the ability to do this for so long. So anyways, I'm super excited about it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.